This is a very quick video just to explain and show how to add analytics into Calendly. Uh, the reason to add them in is to track conversions. It cannot be done on the site, and the analytics code just needs to be added here. It's really easy, it takes less than a minute. What you do need is your analytics code before you start this. So let me copy my analytics code, jump back on here. So we go to integration. I'm looking for analytics, just and it will come up straight away. Okay, go to setup and edit, add in the analytics code and save, and that's it. It's done. So now when somebody actually converts and puts a time on the calendar on the website, you will be able to track the conversions and where they've come from. Okay, that's it. Less than 2 minutes.